Welcome! In front of me I have LG NanoCell TV, and today I'll show you how you can open Equalizer. So you have to simply tap on the settings icon on your remote control. Right now we have to move all settings. Switch to the sound and then go for the sound mode settings. When we are here, we have to tap once on the Equalizer. Tap on the right upper corner to enable, and here you can change all of the settings. You can tap on the arrow like that, or you can click on this circle, hold it, and then move it smoothly with your remote control. So you have to decide what you want to get and how you want to change it. And as you can see, it's very simple. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.